Assalamu alaikum everyone, what's up? I hope that you are not bad. Alhamdulillah for everything because I'm super great. Right now I'm standing in my field because I have been working in my field since morning. For that I'm standing here. Today in this video I would like to share with you how you can remove your mouth hesitation. It is very important for our every English beginner. I have seen many English beginner, they can't make English video in front of camera in public place. For that I will share this matter, and many people they ask me how I can remove my mouth hesitation. It is very important for our every student. You know that English is not our mother tongue. For that we think English is very hard language for us. It is not a correct answer for us. You know that English is not hard language for us. If you practice English every single day, English will be easy language for you. If you want to remove your mouth hesitation, first of all you have to go outside. I mean you have to go public place. When you will see many people, you try to speak in English in front of people. It is first and main thing for you. Second thing, when you will be free, you try to practice your English in front of your camera. And if you do not practice your English in front of your camera, you try to speak in English in front of your mirror. I mean when you will stay in your house, you try to speak in English in front of your mirror. It is the second thing for you. Like this way you have to practice your English every single day. When you will practice your English in front of people, I hope that your mouth hesitation will be removed quickly. You remember that there is no easy way to remove your mouth hesitation without practice. If you more practice every single day, I hope that your mouth hesitation will be removed quickly. You know that when I was beginner, that time I was mouth hesitation. I have felt so shy. That time I practiced my English in front of people, in front of my camera. I practiced my English in front of my mirror. Like this way I removed my mouth hesitation. At present I'm being able to practice my English anywhere, and at present I'm practicing my English main road. I am practicing my English in my field. At the same time I can describe anything in English. At present I'm standing in my field. At the same time I'm practicing and I'm recording my English content. Many people they are seeing my face. Many people they are thinking what I'm saying, what I'm doing in front of my camera. And it doesn't matter. You know that I have no shyness. For that I'm practicing my English every single day in front of my camera. Today I want to show you, as you can see, this is potato trees. As you can see, it is so important for me. You know that this is winter season in my village. For that I have cultivated different kinds of potato in my field. See you next video. Stay safe, stay your home. If you are beginner, you can do the same thing to remove your mouth hesitation, to improve your fluency if you are beginner. See you next video. Best luck for everyone.